So we're going to solve problems that involve value of money and percentage. Okay, so question number 1. Paul has a job raking leaves for a neighbor. He makes $7.20 an hour plus 90 cents for each bag he fills. Last Saturday he worked 5 hours and made total $39.60. How many bags of leaves did he fill? First, let's understand that total of $39.60, that's the earning, $7.20 per hour, worked 5 hours, right? Which will be $7.2 times 5, right? And amount of bags he filled up. So we don't know how many bags, so it's going to be X. And each bag he filled up for $0.9. Correct? Okay, and that's all. It made $39.60. Solving this equation, we can find X, which is bags, amount of bags of leaves he did fill. All right, 7.2 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10, 1 in mind. 5 times 7, 35, and 1, 36. Only one position for decimal, so one position for decimal, 36. Plus 0.9x equal 39.6. Okay, from here, 39, 0.9x is equal 39.6 minus 36. And we're getting 0.9x is equal 3.6. Right? Okay, dividing by 0.9, dividing by 0.9, this is gone, and x is equal. So since both of them have one decimal notation, I can't have in denominator decimal notation, so I have to move by one decimal to the right, get 9, and here also move to one decimal, will be 36. Divided by 9, we get 4. Next question. Miss Patterson triplet all want to attend the local private academy where they are required to wear uniform. Miss Patterson knows that the only way she can afford this uniform is to shop early. Put the uniform on layaway and pay little every week. The total uniform cost for the free girls is $1,409.12. If she put down deposit $700, okay, deposit put down $700, and she could afford $40 per week, and we don't know how many weeks, so it's going to be 40 times X weeks. So how many the weeks, how long it will take to pay off? So 40X, this is equal 1,409.12. Okay, let's solve it. 40X is equal 1,409.12 minus 700. That is going to be 40X is equal 709.12. And if we divide 40 here, 40 here, X is equal 17.728, which approximately is equal 18 weeks. Okay, moving to question number 3. The camera Melissa wanted for her birthday is on sale at 39% of usual price. The amount of discount is $156, so 39% of usual price. So usual price we don't know, it's X, and 39% is 0.39, right? We divide by 100. And that's in dollar amount, that's 156. All right, so what we have to do was original price. Original price is X, so we divide by 0.39. Here we divide 0.39. Okay, let's divide 156. Since we can't divide by decimal notation, I'm going to, instead of 0.39, move by 2 positions here, and 156 decimal here, adding 2 more zeros. To 156, 0, dividing by 39. Let's see what is gonna, how much it's gonna happen. 156, so 1 is not divisible by 9, taking 15. I cannot divide by 39. So I'm taking 156. That is going to be 4 times maybe? 4 times 9, 36, 3 in mind. 4 times 3, 12, and 3, 5. Okay, so remainder is 0, and these 3 zeros I'm attaching here, which is going to be X is equal $400. Okay? Okay, this is 2. This question is number 3. System has messed up. Everything put number 1. Okay, moving to question number 4. The cost of living last year went up 7%. Alice got 7% raise on her salary from last year. Well, she's lucky. This year she's earning $57,500, so total $57,270. How much did she make last? Did she make? Says you. Did she make last year? Okay. Do we know his salary? How much was last year? No. That means X. Do we know what was her raise? Yes, 0.07 times her salary, right? Okay, 7% is 0.07. Decimal notation, we divide by 100. All right, so from here, what do we get? 07 X is equal 57,270, and to find X I am dividing 1.07. How did I get 1.07? So X meaning 1, right? 1 plus 0.07, and here also we divide by 1.07, and what do we get? Let me, for the sake of the time, 57,270 divided by 1.07. If you do by hands, you understand that 1.07 you have to convert into a whole number, which is multiplied by 100. 57,270 also multiplied by 100, which you will get here 5727000, 2 zeros, and here 107, and the result is going to be 53,523.36. We round it till hundreds. Okay, that would be your result. Next one. Let me do this way, so it would be better understandable. All right, it is gone with this one. Next one, question number 5. Katrina inherited some money and invested at 8% simple interest. At the end of the year, the total amount of her original principal and interest was 12,960. How much did she originally invest? All right, total she invested, we don't know how much, right? X amount of dollars. Okay, and then she got simple interest. 8% is 0.08, which will be 0.08x because X amount she invested, and that is equal 12,960. So all we do, we need to find amount of X, how much she invested, that you got 12,960. So X plus 0.0x like terms, it's going to be 1.08x equal 12,960. Next. We divide both of them by 1.08. Okay. And this is canceling. This is canceling. And X is equal. So practically we have 1.08. I'm moving by 2 positions. Here also adding 2 zeros, and the answer is going to be 12,000. Okay. Next question, question number 6. Little Melinda has nickels and quarters in her bank. She has 8 fewer nickels than quarters. It's supposed to be then. I was dictating through Siri, and that's what happened. Okay, so 8 the fewer nickels than quarters. If our quarters are X, because we don't know how much it is, right? Then nickels, it's going to be X minus 8, correct? Because few nickels less than quarters. She has total $4.1. That is going to be total 4.1. Okay, so how many coins does she have? How many quarters? How many nickels? Okay, quarters we have X, and the value of quarters 0.25, right? 25 cents or 0.25. Nickels, it's the value is 5 cents, meaning 0.05, and amount of nickels X minus 8. That's all. So let's solve now. Oops. So 0.25x plus 0.05x minus 8 times 5 is 42 decimals, 1 to 0.4, right? 0.4, and all this is equal 4.1. Okay, let's add 0.25 plus 0.05. 5 plus 5, 10, 1 in mind, 2 and 1, 3, decimal 0. These two are like terms, right? Then we are adding 0.3x minus 0.4. Might as well just move this on this side. 0.4, move on this side. It's going to be equal 4.1 plus 0.4. So 0.3x is equal 4.1 plus 0.4 will be 4.5. Yes? Moving down, so dividing by 0.3, dividing by 0.3. This is gone, and x is equal. I move by one notation here, 45 by 3, and I'm getting 15. So my quarters are 15. Nickels, those are quarters. Nickels on the other side, it's going to be less by 8, which is going to be 15 minus 8. It's going to be 7 nickels. Okay. Question number 7. Madeline, why am I surprised? It's Siri typing. Madeline is an office furniture dealer who earns $21,000 base salary. She also earns 4% commission on sales. How much must she sell to earn total $47,000? When it says total, I already see 47,000 on this side of equation. Okay, let's see. She earns $21,000 and she earned 4% on sales. How much she got on sales? That's a question we need to know, which means it's an x. And 4% is 0.04 x. Okay, let's solve it. So 0.04x is equal 47,000 minus 21,000. Actually, why am I rewriting? It's going to be 26,000. Okay, dividing by 0.04, dividing by 0.04, and we get the answer. This is gone with this, and x is equal, so since I have two positions, so I'm moving by two positions, get 4, and 26,000. Also, if I move by two positions, get this much. Okay, 2,600,000 if I divide, so 26 divided by 4, so it's gonna be 6 times 4, 24, remainder is 2, 20 by 4 is 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, $650,000. Okay, and the last question. Charles is renting a large copy machine for his company and has been given a budget of $1,124. The machine he wants to rent will require $228 installation fee and $112 per month rental contract. How many months will Charles be able to rent the copy machine with his current budget? So, given budget is $1,124, right away comes here. So it says how many months, that's how many months it's going to be our X, and we know it pays $112 per month, right? Okay, and installation fee $228. Okay, we have it. So 112 x is equal 1,124 minus 228. 1124 minus 228. 14 minus 86, there is a 1. 11 minus 2 is 9, here is 10. Minus 2 is 8, and that's it, 896. 112x is equal 896. So we divide by 112. Divide by 112, and x is gonna be equal 8 times 8 times 2, 8, 9. Yes, x time, 8 times. Oops. Okie dokie. Thank you for watching. Let me clean this. Okay.